Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Takeoff channel. The McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle is one of the most iconic and successful fighter jets in military aviation history. Since its introduction in the 1970s, the F-15 has redefined air dominance with unmatched combat performance, cutting-edge technology, and relentless reliability. It has earned a reputation as the world's most successful air superiority fighter, boasting over 100 confirmed aerial victories with 0 losses in dogfights. Origins of the Eagle.
The F-15, which will be known as...
The F-15 was developed in response to the growing threat posed by Soviet advanced aircraft in the 1960s. The U.S. Air Force required a new fighter that could gain and maintain air superiority in any conflict. In 1969, McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, was awarded the contract to build the aircraft. The result was the F-15 Eagle, an aircraft built around a single mission: complete control of the skies. The first flight took place on July 27, 1972, and by 1976, the F-15 entered operational service. It quickly proved its worth with its powerful twin Pratt & Whitney F-100 engines, which provide a thrust-to-weight ratio greater than 1:1, allowing it to accelerate vertically and perform agile maneuvers. Design and capabilities. The F-15 design prioritizes speed, maneuverability, and survivability. Its large wings and twin-tail configuration provide stability at high speeds and in tight turns. With a top speed of Mach 2.5, around 3,000 kilometers per hour, the Eagle can outrun most threats and intercept enemy aircraft with ease. Its radar, initially the powerful AN-APG-63, gave pilots long-range detection and tracking capabilities, allowing them to engage enemies before being seen. The Eagle carries a potent mix of weapons, including AIM-7 Sparrow and AIM-120 advanced medium-range air-to-air missiles for beyond visual range combat, AIM-9 Sidewinders for close dogfights, and an internal M61 Vulcan 20mm cannon. One of the F-15's revolutionary features was its look-down, shoot-down radar capability, allowing it to detect and destroy low-flying aircraft while staying out of range of surface-based threats. Combat record. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the F-15 is its perfect air-to-air combat record. First used in combat by Israel during the 1979 to 1982 Lebanon War, Israeli F-15s quickly racked up dozens of victories against Syrian MiGs. In the Gulf War, 1991, U.S. F-15s were responsible for 36 of the 39 U.S. aerial victories. In the 2003 Iraq War, the F-15C again showcased its dominance, taking down Iraqi aircraft with precision. Its record has been solidified through decades of air combat across multiple nations, including Saudi Arabia and Japan. Variants and evolution. The original air superiority version, the F-15A and C, was later joined by the F-15E Strike Eagle, a dual-role fighter capable of carrying out ground attack missions. The F-15E features advanced avionics, conformal fuel tanks, and the ability to carry a wide range of guided and unguided munitions, making it one of the most versatile fighters in the U.S. arsenal. In recent years, Boeing introduced the F-15EX Eagle II, a modernized version with cutting-edge avionics, electronic warfare systems, and improved radar. Designed to complement fifth-generation fighters like the F-35, the F-15EX brings 21st century upgrades to a time-tested platform. Legacy and future. Over 1,500 F-15 have been built, serving in the air forces of the United States, Israel, Japan, Saudi Arabia, and others. Despite being more than 50 years old, the Eagle's continuous upgrades ensure it remains highly relevant in modern warfare. The F-15's legacy is not just about numbers and victories. It's about the men and women who flew it, trusted it, and dominated the skies in it. Pilots often speak with reverence about the F-15's capabilities, describing it as an aircraft that gave them unmatched confidence in battle. As new threats emerge and warfare evolves, the F-15 remains a symbol of enduring American air power, a true eagle that still soars above the rest.
Our capability to pick up and move with a smaller contingent. I didn't know I wanted to be a pilot until pretty much I put in my job preferences for the Air Force, and then once I started flying, that was the moment